Welcome to this screencast. Very briefly, we are going to look at how to answer 6 marks questions for your GCSE, like the discuss or the analyze questions. The recommendation we give you is to write 2 separate paragraphs about 2 different points that would be given to you in the questions. And those paragraphs, you must make sure to have 3 separate elements in them, all linked together. The best way to achieve that is to use BLT, because, this leads to, therefore. And you're very welcome to write those starter keywords in your own answer if it helps you to write it. Here's an example answer provided by Edexcel themselves from the 2019 question paper. So if I underline, so people will have higher incomes, this would be your starting point. So because people would have a higher income, they would be more likely to spend on luxury goods. Now this is part of a theory that you are learning at this moment in your GCSE. This will, you could say, lead to, and then there's your second point over there. And here you're starting, therefore, and the third one. And one key element of this GCSE, this specification, you must have a linked chain of reasoning. If you don't have a linked chain of reasoning, you will drop some points. And then, and make it look separate, like start at a new line, make it obvious. There's my first paragraph. That should score you your first 3 marks. And then there's a second one there, applying the same structure, starting from a different point given to you within the question. And that should score you the next 3 marks for a total of 6 marks. Now, if I scroll down, this is how the same text would be assessed when the exam would be marked. And then here you've got exam board speech for how they are assessing this and deciding to award it this many marks. So remember, because this leads to, and therefore, and in your first end of topic test, use that for the 6 marks question you'll have to answer. Thank you.